Hello plant friends, my name is Victoria and you're watching Plantastics. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Violet Barn. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get started. Okay, so I haven't bought anything from Violet Barn in a very long time, and I'm going to be unboxing some violets here. So this is a very small box because I didn't order standard sized violets. I ordered miniature and semi-miniature. So I'm going to go and cut this open. I already see some blooms, so I'm going to move you to where you can see them too. Okay, so we've got some really cute little tiny ones. So I got different things because I need miniatures because I really don't have room for standards. This is new. Cool. That's nice. I like the new packaging. Okay, you can't really see. Anyways, you remove the rubber bands. Let me get you further away. Okay, so that is nice. Okay, so this one here, I don't really see a label. Oh, they're right there. This is Sanguinea Chippewa Grace. And they're kind of like African violets. They have more tube-shaped flowers, and there's one blooming in here actually that I'm going to be able to show you. Here's another one. Sanguinea Fuse Lady Rain. This one has a flower. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Like, they have these tube flowers, so they're really just a little different, but that's what I'm looking for. And they don't get very large. This one is Sanguinea Pirates Devil Sweet. You can see this is clearly an African violet. This is Rob's June Bug. Isn't that precious? I really love the variegation on this one. Here is another African violet. This is Rob's Wascally Wabbit, and it's a miniature. It also says what they are on the side and like the date that they were propagated. This is the last violet. This one's got some darker leaves. This is Goldeneye, and it's a semi-miniature, and it actually has yellow flowers. This is not a violet. So I've got several of these. This one got a lot of extra rubber bands somehow. So this one is Columnia microphylla, and it has these, if this is the one I'm thinking of, it has these like hairy looking white flowers. So this will be in a terrarium. It's just so delicate and precious. Last but not least, this is Neomartinia rosa. And this one's similar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment your favorite, and subscribe to see more content just like this. I'll be seeing you next time. Goodbye.